What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the DJI Avata 360. It's a 360-degree camera drone that takes some pretty awesome pictures and videos. I recently just took this with me to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic because I wanted to see, could I just use this instead of a traditional camera drone? Could I still capture some pretty unique footage? And the answer is yes. Camera on this thing is fantastic, and there was a really cool shot that I could only get because I was flying this. I was flying on the beach, and this drone was getting attacked by some birds. And because I have this 360-degree camera, I was able to track the birds as they flew around the drone. I absolutely could not have done that with any other drone. So I want to show you that footage, but also some of the other footage. You wouldn't know it was a 360 camera. So I thought I'd also record and upload a 360-degree video on YouTube. If you're watching on your phone, you can just kind of move your phone around to see it, or if you're on a computer, move the mouse. But you can choose the perspective that you want to watch the video. So check that out also. But yeah, this is a great drone to take with you on vacation. It's not super large. Now it is over 250 grams, but it certainly is portable enough. So you're only getting about 23 minutes max flight time. I did not get that. I was closer to 18 minutes, but I was flying in some heavy wind. Now this design does not like the wind, but it does fine. And in sport mode, I get up to 40 miles an hour. So plenty of speed for chasing stuff like parasailers. We do have front obstacle avoidance, so that was nice flying through the palm trees. And with a 20-kilometer range, this thing has plenty of distance. Could this be the only drone you need? Perhaps, but you have to know the workflow when you're going to edit 360 videos, because you can't just produce an MP4 like you would with a traditional mini drone. But it is kind of unique to kind of choose the perspective and the angle that you want to shoot from. And if you want to throw in some flips and rolls, go right ahead. Avata 360, great drone, unique drone. There really isn't anything else like it other than the anti-gravity 360, but this thing is awesome. 2 gigantic 1-inch sensors, lots of fun to fly. Anyway, if you haven't seen a 360 video, make sure you check that out. You can see what this thing really is capable of.